How to fix Instagram schedule option not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If the Instagram schedule option is not available for your account, there might be a couple of reasons why. So the first and foremost, the most common is that your application needs an update. In that case, just open up your Play Store if you are using an Android device and search for Instagram. Now from here, tap open your application and make sure to update if there is any of the update available for the app. After that, tap open and check for the schedule option. If still that does not work, then you need to go ahead and open up your phone settings. Within your phone setting, you can scroll down and tap on the apps option. From here, select on all apps. Then tap on the search icon to search for Instagram. Then tap on the four-stop button and OK. Select on storage and cache and tap on clear cache. After which, the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing the problem will be solved. Last but not the least, check for system update. If your system is not up to date, it might not support the latest version of Instagram. So this is how you'll be able to fix the Instagram schedule option not showing. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.